This is to show the fourth and final case, in my opinion, of task number 8. As you can see, I only have 2 distinct planes, and number 8 is asking us to look at all possible intersections of 3 distinct planes. I wanted to just show the 2 planes by itself before I introduced the third plane. So what I have is I'm back on the XYZ plane. The first thing that I actually did was, instead of creating the planes to begin with, I created a line. I know that there is going to be a case where a line is your intersection, and what I wanted to show is that I believe there's really going to be infinitely many possibilities to where these 3 distinct planes can show up, and it will not matter really where your 3 planes are coming as long as they intersect on that line. So I began with the line, and the line that I am referencing right now is this black line. And as you see the image rotate, you will notice that I'm going to call it the blue plane, was created to go through that line, and then from that plane and that line I created a point off the plane and went ahead and connected a new plane with the non-collinear point to the line that is in black, and that gave me the green plane. So I want to go ahead and create one more plane. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just get this back in position. So if you can see my point N here, it is off both the green and the blue plane, and this is just honestly a randomly selected point. There is no rhyme or reason. I just wanted it to be completely non-coplanar with the other 2 distinct planes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my option of drawing a plane through 3 points, and I'm going to use the first 2 points from the line JK that I used to intersect with the blue and the green plane before, and now I'm going to select N. And just for the sake of visualization, I'm going to go ahead and change that color of that plane so that we can see that just a little clearer. And now I'm going to go ahead and rotate. So as you can see, I now have introduced my orange plane, is what I will call it for lack of better visualization terminology. But as you guys can see, I have all 3 planes intersecting on that black line. And because of the choice where I placed these planes being very randomized, it shows me that I can go ahead and actually go anywhere with these 3 planes as long as I'm using that line to help me kind of guide me through, and it will always intersect on that same exact plane, or I'm sorry, that same exact line is what I meant to say. So this is the case where we can see 3 distinct planes intersecting on a single line. And there you have it. Case number 4 to task, now it's getting crazy. Case number 4 to task number 8. Intersection of 3 distinct planes on the intersection of one single line.